Welcome everyone. Here is how to make slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The first step is we're going to start by opening up the camera app. Inside of this one, we're going to use our finger, and where it shows the modes, we're just going to swipe our finger to the left until we see more. We can see slow motion is right here, but if you use slow motion more than once, you're going to use it semi-frequently, then we can add slow motion to the panels at the bottom. We do that by tapping the edit right here. Then you can long press slow motion and drag and drop it next to video. Then tap the save button. Once this is saved, you can now just quickly swipe across the slow motion instead of having to manually select it in more. When we are in slow motion, you can see the frame rates and the FPS at the top right. You can also tap the menu button here, and then you can change your options as well. If I tap on this one, you can see the size, the FPS, and it will show the speed of the slow motion. So at 240 Hz is 8 speeds, at 120 Hz is quarter speed. If you select the UHD, which is 4K resolution, you can only record in quarter speed. So I'm just going to do this. Now real quick, for any Samsung fans, you might remember that on older Samsung phones, you didn't have 240 FPS cap. You could record in 960 FPS slow motion. This feature was removed with Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and so only S23 series could do the 960 FPS slow motion. S25 Ultra is capped at 240 FPS. Once we're happy, we can change our camera lens, and then we can start the slow motion. So once we start the slow motion, we can just stop the recording. When the recording is stopped, we can edit the slow motion settings. So it's going to record a video, but it might not all be in slow motion. So to change the settings, we're going to open up the Samsung Gallery app. Then we're going to select our slow motion video. And then we're going to see the pencil icon. If you don't see this icon, tap the screen and then tap on the pencil. Inside of here, you will see this part of the video is in full speed, this part slow motion, this part full speed. So you can just slide the area to change what is slow motion and what it's not going to be slow motion. And then you can just save the changes, and we'll just save like this. So it's going to save the video. You have unlimited, saves you can do. So if you save once, it's going to allow you to always edit those options. Now, final thing is that super slow motion that I was talking about earlier on the S23 series. It is technically in this phone. However, what you do is you start to play back a slow motion video, and then you long press, and then it's going to use the AI to slow down the video even more. The problem with this is you have to actually physically long press down. You would then have to wait for the entire video to pass, and then there'll be the option to tap the download icon, and then that will create a super slow motion clip. So it's extremely inconvenient, especially if it's a long recording. But if you do want that super slow motion, you just need to use your finger, long press, wait for the slow motion to finish, and then it will let you save if that's something you want to do. So that's slow motion in S25 Ultra. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.